COLOURline, ConcreteART, MetalART, FabricART, StoneART, WOODline, REALwood. COLOURline provides the right backdrop for the joy of living. All colours of this world. Undreamed of scope. Life is colour. ConcreteART, the quintessence of modern industrial charm and cool functionality. Live in the rhythm of the city. MetalART. Formed by human hands, metals are an inspiration to designers. Very close to the original, incredibly fascinating. FabricART, the material from which interior dreams are woven. Tactile, elegant textures with a fantastic wow effect. StoneART, varied, alien, powerful, brilliant accentuations for sophisticated interiors. WOODline, for wood decors, in which the entire beauty of wood is reflected, far from the mainstream. REALwood, naturally grown, finished by humans to produce veneers. 60 years of wood know-how in every REALwood veneered panel, masterpieces of the art of veneering.